Dr. Terrell Master, and I'll be giving you a tour here today at LSU Health Shreveport. I started here as a student in the graduate school, and I'm now an assistant professor in the anatomy department, where I get to teach medical students, allied health professionals, and graduate students. There are so many great programs here that produce doctors, scientists, and allied health professionals, and I get to interact with so many of them through the anatomy department. We'll be taking a tour today of all the schools, and we'll start with the medical school.
The School of Medicine is so important to healthcare in North Louisiana and throughout the state. We graduate about 110 new doctors each year, and we're proud to have one of them, Dr. G.E. Golly, as our Chancellor and Dean. And our class sizes are increasing to meet the demand for more physicians. The students spend the first 2 years mainly in the classroom, where they learn from both clinicians and scientists. Their heads aren't always in the books or computers, though. Students love that the simulators and interactions with patients, both actors and real, are part of the curriculum from the beginning. The medical school is attached to one of our partner hospitals, University Health. Medical students spend their last 2 years of school in hospitals and clinics learning from faculty doctors as well as residents and fellows, who are young doctors that have completed medical school and are learning a specialty. The physicians who train our students, residents, and fellows also treat patients. They come to Shreveport because of the medical school and bring specialized treatments not available anywhere else in the area, like the Level 1 Trauma Center, which is led by our faculty. If you're seriously injured, this is definitely the place you want to come. Right across the street, you'll find University Health's Ambulatory Care Clinic, where our doctors see patients of all ages for primary and specialty outpatient care. Now let's head to the Feisweiler Cancer Center, where a lot of exciting research is going on. There's a grant to give minority cancer patients better access to clinical trials, and a gum in the works for head and neck cancer prevention, plus many others. While cancer is a major focus, researchers at the medical school are also studying Parkinson's disease, heart disease, and many common viruses. Researchers here bring in about $20 million in grants each year. You'll likely find graduate students in our labs as well as local high school and college students. They can get a head start on a science career by taking part in one of our many mentoring programs. Faculty and students truly enjoy getting young people interested in science early. Our School of Graduate Studies offers 5 PhDs and 1 master's program. There's the Dean, Dr. Sandra Rory, giving a presentation. After research is proven effective, it moves from the lab to clinical trials. Staff here conduct about 100 studies a year to help get promising treatments for diseases like Alzheimer's and diabetes to the market. Let's move over to the School of Allied Health Professions.
Patients come to this beautiful rehab facility for both physical and occupational therapy. Here's Dr. Joe McCullough, Dean of the Allied Health Professions.
Well, hey, Dr. Master. What brings you over here?
I'm giving these guys a little tour of the facilities.
Fabulous. Well, they let you out of the anatomy lab,
They sure did.
Okay. Well, we're working here on what's called an off-waiting treadmill, and this is a thing we use in rehabilitation of neurological cases. It helps the person ambulate easier.
Great.
We've just got a group of physical therapy students back here, but we've got a lot of programs here we'd love for you to see, so take your time and walk around.
We sure will. Thank you very much.
Okay.
At any given time, there are about 350 students here training to be physician's assistants, occupational therapists, and more. Physical therapy graduates are also attracted to our residency programs in orthopedics and wound care, the first to be credentialed in the United States. This is part of the Children's Center, where professionals diagnose and treat kids with conditions like autism and ADHD. Nearby is the Molly Webb Speech and Hearing Center, which offers audiology, speech, and language services for both kids and adults.
It even has its own mascot, Boomer the therapy dog. Good boy. Now off to our last stop, the Student Union.
Here, students from all 3 schools come to study, hold meetings, or just have a good time.
Well, that's a quick look at our campus. Of course, people make a place, and we have an outstanding group of faculty, staff, students, and alumni. We all come from a variety of backgrounds, but are very proud of LSU Health Shreveport. Now you have to excuse me, I have to go teach class.